Stink Stank Stunk with the pink and the green. Look at this Harlequin. How beautiful it is. It's your pink and green Harlequin. And then here's a pink one that I really love that's got the swirl in it. It's the pink and green and gives you that little bit of white on there. That's really pretty and it ties really well. And then I love this hot pink, fuchsia pink, metallic. That is not the bubblegum pink, but it is that hot pink that could kind of pull into the bubblegum pink that is the Cindy Lou color that we have designed. So this one will actually be really good, like to use into a garland or a wreath. It's not the bubblegum pink, but it is the hot pink metallic, and it's really pretty. So let's make a bow. So let's do some really large bows. Long tails. Okay, when I say a large bow, I'm going to do this one large, but I'm going to keep my bow ends really tight. And so I think I'm going to do 2 bows like this. So I want it to be tight, but a bigger bow. Let's do in 2 more loops with this one. Now we're going to come in with this Stink Stank Stunk. I want to make sure I leave enough off to where you can see it. Now you're not going to be able to read the wording on this, but it's still going to be, you're going to get the effect of it. I'm doing 2 loops on this, on each side. Gonna leave me another tail here. And you've got a perfect Stink Stank Stunk there. And then I want to do me a little tail at the top. I'm gonna cut it off right here for another Stink Stank Stunk. Now let's come in with, let's use all of these ribbons because I love all of them. So we want to use all of them. Okay, I'm gonna do me a tail at the top. I'm just going to the other side. I'm gonna do me 2 loops with this one and a long tail at the bottom. I like the long tails on these. And then we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna leave a long tail on this side. Do 1 loop of this because remember I have another 1.5 inch, and I'm going to cut this tail off over here just a little bit shorter. Then I want to come through with this Harlequin. Okay, and I started at the top of that side with it. I'm going to start at the top of this side with this one. I'm going to go 1, 2 like I did with the other. Cut me a tail long. Then I'm going to do me a tail and a loop on this side. So what it done was I put me 2 loops here, 1 on this side. I put me 2 loops on this side of this one and 1 on this side. Now I'm going to come in right on the top and I'm going to do a green. I'm just going to do a little bit of this green. I'm going to do a tail at the top and I'm going to make this just a little bit shorter here. I'm going to do 2 loops of it. I'm cutting this one just a little bit shorter because we want that to show. And do we want to come on the front? No, I think that green on the front does really, really well. Let's do 1 more tail of it. We're going to do 1 little bitty loop at the front, longer tail on the green. We're going to zip tie this off.
Are you making another one?
Sure. You want me to?
Well, I thought I would film it sideways for YouTube.
Okay.
But I have to on the zip off. It's on this iPad up here, Lauren?
Yes.